Good morning, student.
Very good morning, sir.
How are you, sir?
I am fine. Today, our topic of discussion is Education for All, that is EFA.
Okay, sir.
Education for all denotes every children should be included in education process. According to Article 26 of the 1948 Universal Declaration of Human Rights, it is clear that everyone has the right to education. Therefore, Education for All is a global movement by UNESCO aiming to meet the learning needs of all children, youth, and adults by 2015. UNESCO has been mandated to lead the movement and coordinate the international efforts to reach education for all.
Okay, sir.
The Education for All goals were established at Jumatin, Thailand in 1990 and reaffirmed at the 2000 World Education Forum in Dakar, Senegal.
Okay, sir. But why is education for all important?
Education for all is very much important because education gives us a knowledge of the world around us and changes it into something better. Not only that, it develops in us a perspective of looking at life. It helps us build opinions and have points of view on things in life.
But, sir, what are the objectives of education for all?
Education for all, according to World Forum, it has 6 objectives. Number 1, expand early childhood care and education. Number 2, provide free and compulsory primary education for all. Goal number 3, promote learning and life skills for young people and adults. Number 4, increase adult literacy. Goal number 5, achieve gender parity. And the last goal is improve the quality of education. Government of India also promote education for all by its various policies and project, that is Sarva Shiksha Abhijan, Rashtriya Madhyamik Shiksha Abhijan, RT 2009. So these types of policies are basically for implement primary education and introduce education for all.
Yes, sir.
But there are several issues and challenges to implement education for all. These are lack of planning, poverty, geographic isolation, gender biasness, political unawareness, corruption, lack of qualified teacher, youth population, and lack of fundamental resources and political unwillingness.
Right, sir.
Therefore, government can take several steps to reduce issues and challenges to implement education for all. That is, government can introduce new policies and a plan. Government also recruit trained quality teacher. Government also aware parents and teacher by publicity. So these are the some steps which can reduce issues and challenges for education for all. So these are the discussion regarding education for all. If you have any questions and queries, then pass the question into the chat box. Thank you.